Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 31144. The job location is Houston, Texas. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: programming languages such as Python, Scala, Azure SQL. The platform would be Azure. Database management system would be DBX, Azure Synopsys application packages, etc. Experience in Spark Databricks. 5 or more years of experience is required on each of the technicals. Azure certifications are required.
For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platform.